Good morning, everyone. Today I will introduce our group project. We designed a home service application called Safe Home. The main goal was to provide a safe way for people to get home services like repairs or cleaning during the COVID-19 pandemic. During the pandemic, people had to reduce face-to-face contact, but when booking services online, people must share sensitive data. This include the real name, home address, and the payment information. Our system, Safe Home, is designed to solve these problems. We use an approach called privacy by design. This means privacy is not an add-on, but it is built into the system core from the start. Uh, about the key function and the user story. So how does the system work? Let's imagine a customer needs a plumber. The customer posts a job on Safe Home. The system does not show the real name or detailed address. Instead, the service provider only see a fake name like user A and a general area like near the city. This protects the customer's privacy and while they are seeking help. Only after both the customer and the provider agree to this service, the system will show the real sensitive information to both parties. Now, the plumbers can see the full address, and the customer can see the plumber's real name. All payments are completed online through the app. This is contactless, so there's no need for cash transaction. This is safe for health. We also add a very important safety feature, an emergency cancel button. If a user feels unsafe at any time, they can press this button. This does two things. It will immediately cancel the service, and it will immediately revoke all access to other person's sensitive data. It means the plumber can no longer see the customer's address, and the customer cannot see the plumber's detail. Finally, after the job is complete, the system will auto delete all the sensitive order after 14 days. This allowed the data. This follows the data minimization principles. We don't keep the data no longer. We don't keep the data longer than necessary. That is the basic overview of our safe home system. Thank you.
During the pandemic, home service application make it essential, but they also introduced the serious privacy and safety concerns. First, personal information exposure. User's real name and extra address may be shared with strangers who placing their orders. This created clear risk of identity theft and even physical safety issues. And second, health data sensitivity. Many platforms have collected COVID-related health information. We collected a lot without strong safety grounds. So this sensitive data can easily be leaked. And third, data retention. Some systems keep complete orders for too long. Auto record setting in storage increase the chance of leakage to link to the dangerous. And fourth, lack of emergency control. Once users share this information, but they often cannot instantly remove the access if someone feels unsafe. And finally, increase cash transactions. Physical payments not only bring contract-related health risks but also expose users to potential financial frauds. So these five issues together highlight why privacy and safety must be designed into the platform from the very beginning. To save these challenges, Safe Home was built on the privacy by design principle. The security design is now added to it later, but it is built it from the start. We really care about it. And first, protect, identify, and the locations. Users just remain the norms at the beginning, and only blurred arrow is displayed until both sides agree connect, and they can know the real name and the real errors. And second, health information is voluntary. Users can choose whether to share their COVID-19 related information. So it's only used to ensure safety during the service. And third, Safety Home features automatic date deletion. After a short rotation period, all personal data related to the service to the orders will be removed to prevent long-term exposure. And first, emergency faction gave users to instant control. You can choose to cancel your orders in any time to prevent something bad happened. And finally, they promote security online payments to prevent risk of infection and even some financial risks. So together, the solution shows how Safety Home balance with strong protection to ensure the privacy and trust, and the every steps of the user's experience is to be designed to prevent their safety.
When users interact with our Net.js interface, everything goes through this provides engine first. It acts like a smart gatekeeper that decides what information can be stored where. Notice how we have two separate data stories. The green box shows public data, things like pumping service needed, information that's safe to share. The red box contains sensitive data, real name, exact address. This encrypted and heavily protected. The private engines automatically manage data lifecycle. It handles our 40-day auto detection policy and can instantly revoke access during emergency cancellation. This separation means even if someone accesses our public data, they can't get personal information. Our system connected to payment gateway and service providers, but they only see what they had to see, nothing more. This is progress by design in action. The order class is our main component, but there's the key innovation. It doesn't store user data directly. Instead, it connects to two separate information classes. Public info contains only what we can safely display. Service type, general area, like and time slots. This is what survey provides when browsing up available jobs. Sensitive info holds the real person no data, actual names, exact addresses, phone numbers. Notice it has encrypt and decrypt methods. This data is never stored in plain text. Our privacy engine sits above everything, managing these relationships. It decides when to correct, access, or delete information. The engine runs our auto-detection logic and handle emergency cancellations. This design means developers can't accidentally mix public and private data. The system architecture enforces privacy protection. It's not just a policy, it's built into the code structure itself. This is what we ensure our privacy is protected by default, not as an afterthought.
Hello everyone, my name is Wenju. Let me show you the main features and security implementations of our team project. Firstly, you run the code like this and click here to open this project in your browser. So let's start by showing how a customer creates an order. Here you can choose the type of the service and enter some information. So choose the date of the services, just choose time and the phone number. Okay. After clicking post order, we are taken to payment page. Consider the opportunity and time to reduce offline contact during the pandemic. Here is the first security feature we implemented, which is the online payment. So let me show you. All right, okay. You will then be redirected to the screen where the payment was successful. If we look at the detail of this order, we can see two other important security features: emergency cancellation and 14-day automatic deletion of order information. Click the emergency cancel function, and the dialog box will pop up to select the reason for the cancellation. So the 14-day automatic deletion function will automatically delete order information to protect privacy. So now let's look at the the provider function. We can see the order we just created, but we cannot accept this order, and we cannot see the detail of this order, including name and address. There are also fourth and fifth security feature we implemented. The service must upload relevant profiles such as vaccines to accept the order. Let me show you. Just upload some, for demonstration, just a file. So confirm update. So you can see we can accept this order and click here. After accept the order, you can see all the detail. And there are also a emergency cancel button for some emergency cases. So that's the home service and security showcase for our group project. Bye. Thank you.